I don't have to use any fertilizers. I never have to water my plants again. Torpedopot does it for me. Torpedopot is designed in such a way to provide your plant with nutrition, so you don't need a lot of those synthetic fertilizers. See how beautiful they are?
Look how healthy.
Yeah, they do look healthy, don't they?
Oh, look at those roots. Very.
So healthy.
I can't wait to get them in me.
Hey guys, my name is Darryl Addison. I'm the founder, CEO at Torpedopot. We make self-growing planters. 3,000 seeds in these planters right here. 300 seeds in each planter. And they're growing carrots. Torpedopot is designed in such a way to provide your plant with nutrition, so you don't need a lot of those synthetic fertilizers. So we eat the carrot tops as well as the carrot bottoms. This is a lot of food. It's strictly organic, and it's able to stimulate your plants and grow them like you've never seen before. This is Torpedopot. This is the future of gardening. Now, the 21 pounds of carrots are, like I said, I'm thinning them out because I have so many carrots. Guys, these are Torpedopot. All I did was put my seeds in these planters and they grow my food for me.